everybody, it's Shark Scrapper. Well, I just got a load of material in from the cell phone guys, so I'm busy separating the stainless and the aluminum and all the other stuff that comes along with that material. But I wanted to take a quick break and say thank you. Thank you so much. On December 5th, 2021, we officially went over 5,000 subscribers. I don't know what to even say. I mean, I am so happy and so thankful that so many people are enjoying these videos that I'm putting together. I love doing this, and I am so happy that there are other people out there that enjoy this, that love watching the videos, and have subscribed to the channel. So I want to say thank you, and we're going to do that by having a fun little Shark Scrapper thank you giveaway. Now, of course, you know, first prize is going to be a 1 ounce silver Perth Mint Shark Series coin. Now, that's either going to be a hammerhead or a tiger, or a great white. So what I think I might do is I might let whoever wins first prize pick which one they want. Pretty sure I've got one of each still, so yeah, I think we can do that. Second prize and third prize are going to be very nice as well, and I will announce those in subsequent videos. But for this one, I just wanted to take a real quick moment and get out there and say thank you, everybody. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love making these videos. I love sharing scrapping and e-waste, and I really appreciate that you appreciate it and have subscribed to the channel. We now return you to your regularly scheduled Wednesday's Bite. Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper. Welcome back for another Wednesday's Bites where we attack e-waste like this ZXP Series 3 card printer. So if you ever went to one of those big box things, Costco, BJ, something like that, and got your membership card, this is what was printing it out. Can you believe that? Look at all these cards. Anybody want a BJ's membership? Send me your pictures. We'll go ahead and get you hooked up. Nah, can't do that. All right, let's see. These are all just going into, can you believe that? Jumping Jiminy Christmas. Into the trash with these guys. I did ask if they wanted these back. And the manager at the local BJ store said, nope, don't worry about just throwing them away. So, let's see. I'm not expecting a whole lot here. I mean, it's a printer. How much can you really get out of this thing? It's a freaking printer. But, we're going to find out, aren't we? Got a little Torxie there that's not the right size. And somewhere there's going to be some screws. Aha! They're underneath the feet. And of course that doesn't want to fit. Of course. Let's try you. That better not be a Torx all the way down inside there. Let's see. And it is a Torx all the way down inside there. The question is, what size Torx? You don't feel like you're grabbing. You don't feel like you're doing it. Let's see, how about you? Nope. You're too big. Let's see. Let's see now. Nope. There we go. And trash. There we go. Now you're out of the way. I have a feeling this is going to be a whole lot of shred. And maybe some mid-grade, but probably we're talking low grade here. You we don't need. Here we are. Doody-doo, come off of there. Okay. And get you off of there. And those guys off of there. And you guys off of here. Got some motors in there. I might be using this one for enough that I can just go ahead and switch it out here. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. That will get the little motor out of. All right, so nice peripheral board here. We got some tanties that we can pull. We've got some gold edge crystal oscillators, ICs. Excuse me. So if you're into depopulating, there's some things here that you can go after. And that is those two little tiny torques right there. It's just not worth messing with it anymore. Just give it a cut and pry it up. There you go. All right, so shred and yeah, shred. And we have a nice little board here. And look, it's another one of those tiny little let's see, what do we got going here? Oh, interesting. That's probably ferrite. Yep. So a ferrite heatsink, interesting enough. And we have a nice bunch of gold pins. We have a flat pack, an IC, another IC. There's a teeny tiny little gold edge crystal oscillator there, little switch. So I can put this in with the mid grades easy enough. I can probably cut the gold pins off and put it with mid grades, something like that. There's nothing on the back side. I'm not going to waste your time watching me get these off, so I'll do that off camera. This board on the back, nice thick film resistors there, big flat packs, some more ICs. So again, if you want to depopulate, there's some good stuff there. Or I would either do this as a periph or as my yard, this is going to be a mid-grade. So I'll pull these tanties and maybe a couple chips and then put that in with the mid-grades. All right, now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 motors here. Once we get into the rest of this, that's going to be one of the motors. That's what I'm trying to get at right now, are these motors. There's one of them right there. That's a nice motor. All right, so that'll go in my motor bucket. You're going in with the wire. There we go. There's that motor. I'm sure that Ian Matthews right now is very upset with me for chucking all these motors. He loves hanging on to motors. He'll see this video and he'll give me grief. He'll say, "Shark, I can't believe you threw away all those motors." See this one? Ian Matthews would love this because it's still got the cord attached and the whole deal. So yeah, sorry Ian. There you go, bud. Sorry, man. There we go. There's a nice little motor and wire. All right, we're going to clean up this wire. Wire, wire, wire. Now, there's still a lot of weight in here. There's a little piece of green board there, but it's not worth me spending time to get that tiny little piece of green board out. It's just going to be low grade. But I'm going to get the tantalum off of there. I'm not seeing anything else that's really worth the effort to go after at this point, so I'm just going to chuck this in with the rest of the shred, because it's heavy enough that I can tell there's still plenty of metal in there. We'll gather up all of this little steel bits. Plastic, plastic. Let's see if we can get you off of here. There we go. Plastic. The seal bits can all go into the shred, little bitty shreds. And you, I think, is going to be the same thing. Although I'm curious here, let's take a look at let's see, what else do we have here? Screen, LCD, liquid crystal display. That'll be a mid-grade board. Yep, that's a nice mid-grade board. Let's get the connector off of there. Mid-grade. Got a little fan down here. And some wire. So I'm going to work on getting the rest of this wire out of here, and maybe a little bit of metal out of here. I want to thank everybody. We have gone over 5,000 subscribers, as I mentioned. That is just so exciting. I am so happy. We will be having a 5,000 5,000 subscriber giveaway to say thank you to everyone. I got to put that together, and then I will announce how we're going to do that. If you enjoyed this one, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you can still subscribe. It doesn't matter how many I have. I'll always let more people subscribe, and that's going to be that little icon that's in between the two links that are popping up to take you to more of my e-waste scrapping videos. All right, I'm going to wrestle with this last little bit. I will see you all on the next one.